Hey there, welcome to TechTube. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about how you can refer someone to Bigo Live. So referring will kind of get you some kind of gift or some money. So what you need to do is take out your phone, as there is no way to do it from the PC standalone app or the browser version of Bigo Live. So you need to take out your phone, open Bigo Live, then go to the Me section, or let's say profile section, right? Go there and click on Earn Money. And after you click or tap on the Earn Money, you're just gonna scroll down, and there should be a code that is your refer code, right? What you can do is you can just copy it and send it to people's in different social medias, or you can post online. There is actually a option for direct messaging too, so you can contact you should just message them directly through Facebook, through Bigo, the messengers, through WhatsApp, and through your contacts, where you can send the SMS, right? So that's how you refer your friends in Bigo Live. If this content helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.